Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ryan, and I will be the instructor for the Microsoft Excel course. Excel is the most common spreadsheet software used in financial, business, and data analysis. Due to this, Excel has become one of the most popular and common spreadsheet tool used in many industries. Microsoft Excel is a very powerful spreadsheet software used in a wide range of tasks, which involves data analysis, project management, visualizations, and many more. Tasks like data entry and data analysis can be performed using Excel very easily with Excel's built-in tools. Formulas and functions such as sum, average, etc. can help in calculations very easily. Excel is commonly used by businesses for budgeting, forecasting, and financial modeling. It allows for the creation of balance sheets, income statements. Further, Excel is also used in charts, graphs, as well as data visualization and reporting. When it comes to automation, Excel contains a feature called macros to perform repetitive tasks. Excel can track timelines, project costs, and task progress, making it useful for managing schedules and resource planning. Businesses often use Excel to track and manage inventory by recording product data, quantities, and sales, helping with stock management and reorder planning. Further, Excel is also used in removing invalid or missing data and enabling data sharing and collaboration. Now let's look how this wonderful tool started its journey. In 1985, Excel was created for Macintosh to compete against other spreadsheet softwares like Lotus 1-2-3. 2 years later, Excel was released for Windows version, named Excel 2.0. It was released with a graphical user interface. In 1990, Excel 3.0 was released with few more enhancements such as toolbars, 3D charts, and multiple worksheet support. In 1992, an automation feature was added into Excel called macros and was named Excel 4.0 upon its release. The next version of Excel was built with a scripting interface called Visual Basic Application, also known as VBA. In 1996, Office Assistant was introduced to Excel. This feature provided help and tips to users. In Excel 2007 version, a ribbon was added for enhancing better user interface and significantly increased row and column limits. In the versions post-2010, Excel was enhanced with better usability with introduction of new formulas and features, while also providing integrated cloud support such as OneDrive. Now let's look at some of the key features of Microsoft Excel. Excel consists of cells and worksheets. Each cell can contain any type of value, while the collection of these cells is contained within a worksheet. This structure helps in keeping data organized, making it easier to manage large data set. The next feature of Excel is the heart of Excel, which is formulas and functions. Currently, Excel is integrated with 450 functions and can be categorized into mathematical, statistical, logical, text, and many more. Excel also allows users to create custom formulas by combining these functions to perform data analysis, automate tasks to suit specific needs. The next feature provides data visualizations in form of graphs and charts. It enables users to interpret data visually to make informed decisions. Some of the examples can include line graphs, bar charts, pie charts, etc. Excel has been widely used for data analysis. It has highly effective built-in data analysis tools such as pivot tables, conditional formatting, and other functions and formulas that can help users analyze and interpret data effectively. And finally, users can collaborate to make changes, recreate, or share the spreadsheets in real time by leveraging cloud capabilities like OneDrive. Therefore, Microsoft Excel is a very effective tool used for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. It helps users perform calculations, create charts, manage budgets, track projects, and analyze trends through various functions and tools. Let's look at the actual interface of Excel to understand its structure and tools more effectively. Currently, I'm using Excel 2021, and my interface of Excel looks like this. Please do not worry if your interface looks different than mine, as changes might be very small. However, most of the functionality remains same. Let's understand the layout. From top we have ribbon. Well, what is a ribbon? A ribbon is a graphical interface element that organizes commands and tools into tabs and groups. Each tab contains related functions, making it easier to find and access features like formatting, data analysis, and chart creation. The ribbon replaced traditional menus and toolbars to enhance user experience and efficiency. Below ribbon, we have a formula bar. It is an editable space which helps users to edit the text present in a cell as well as modify and edit formulas. Up next, we have an alphabetical series of letters. These represent the columns. Columns are a vertical line of cells and go from top to bottom and vice versa. In the leftmost side, we have a continuous range of numerical values. These represent row numbers or simply rows and are horizontal line of cells. The blank canvas consists of horizontal and vertical lines representing rectangular cell type structure. These are known as cells. Each cell is referenced by column alphabet followed by row number. Each cell can hold any type of value that can be used in storing information or evaluating a mathematical expression. At the bottom, we have name of the worksheet. But what is a worksheet? A worksheet is just like a page in a book. Each page stores certain information. Likewise, a worksheet stores information in cells. Just like several pages in a book, we can have several worksheets in Excel. The collection of worksheets is known as workbook or an Excel file. And lastly, we have a zoom slider. A zoom slider helps in increasing or decreasing the size of a worksheet. If you like my content, do consider subscribing to my channel for more such videos. I will see you again. Until then, goodbye.